Hello, bright minds. Welcome back to the channel with another beautiful Olympiad math problem. Today, I'm going to show you how to solve this nice math problem. So, it is given that a minus 1 over 2023 plus a minus 4 over 1010 plus a minus 5 over 673 is equal to 6. In the first step, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this 6 in the right hand side into the left hand side, because it is always nice to have a zero in the right hand side of the equation. When 6 is coming to the left hand side of the equation, it will become to minus 6. So now how do we solve this problem? Can we find a common denominator? No, it is really hard to find the common denominator here. Now this is where you need to start think differently. My purpose is solving this Olympiad problem is I'm trying to give an idea to a student how to think differently when you are going to solve this kind of math problem. Now, if you think about those denominators, those numbers in the denominators, if you multiply 2023 by 1, you will get the same answer 2023. If you multiply 1010 by 2, you will get the answer 2020. If you multiply 673 by 3, we have the answer 2019. Now you can see that those numbers are close to each other. You can see that those multipliers 1, 2, and 3, if you add those multipliers 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. Brilliant. Now you have unlocked the trick to solve this math problem. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to split these 6 into 3 groups, 1, 2, and 3. Then I'm going to add those 1, 2, and 3 into those fractions separately. So in the next step, I will have a minus 1 divided by 2023. I'm going to give minus 1 here because we have minus 6 in the original problem. And then I'm going to add a minus 4 divided by 1010. I'm going to give minus 2 to this fraction. So we have left minus 3. I'm going to give that minus 3 into this fraction here. So nothing changed. Right hand side is equal to 0. Left hand side is still we have minus 6. So there is no harm to our original problem. So now I'm going to solve these fractions separately in the next step. Here inside the parentheses, I can rewrite 1 over 1. Here I can rewrite 2 over 1. Here I can rewrite 3 over 1. We can solve inside the parentheses in a general way. So here we have 1 time a minus 1 is a minus 1, minus 1 time 2023 divided by 1 time 2023 is equal to 2023. Here inside the parentheses, we have 1 time a minus 4, it is equal to a minus 4, minus 2 time 1010, 1 time 1010 is equal to 1010. Plus here inside the parentheses, 1 time a minus 5 is equal to a minus 5, minus 3 times 673 divided by 1 times 673 is equal to 673, and right hand side we have 0. Then if you simplify further, here we have a minus 1 minus 2023 divided by 2023, plus here we have a minus 4 minus 2 times 1010 is equal to minus 2020 divided by 1010, plus here we have a minus 5 minus 3 times 673, which is equal to minus 2019 divided by 673. equal to 0. Now in the first fraction, in the numerator, we have a minus 1 minus 2023 is equal to a minus 2024 divided by 2023. Here a minus 4 minus 2020 is a minus 2024 divided by 1010. Here minus 5 and minus 2019 is equal to a minus 2024 divided by 673 is equal to 0. Now you can clearly see that in the all three fractions, in the numerator we have same terms, a minus 2024. I can take this a minus 2024 out of the equation in the left side as a common factor. So inside the parentheses, then we have 1 over 2023 plus 1 over 1010 plus 1 over 673 is equal to 0. Now those two products are equal to 0, then either one of the product or both of the product must be equal to 0 to fulfill the equation. So it is clear that this part cannot be equal to 0. It's not equal to 0. It is very clear that therefore this part must be equal to 0. Then only left hand side can be equal to 0. So a minus 2024 is equal to 0. Then we have answer for a, which is equal to 2024. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you have enjoyed and learned something solving this math problem.